Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we're going to talk about something you probably look at every single day, but might not be using to its full potential: the Chrome Bookmark Manager. We're going to turn this simple little tool into your absolute secret weapon for a faster, way smarter browsing experience.
So does this sound familiar? You wake up, you grab your coffee, and you start typing in the same 5 or 6 websites you visit every single morning. It's the same old routine. It's kind of tedious, right? Well, guess what? There's a much, much better way.
And that better way is the humble bookmark. I mean, just think of it as a digital shortcut, a direct line to your favorite spots on the web. Instead of typing, you just click. It's the simple, elegant solution to that daily digital grind.
Okay, so here's our game plan. We'll start with the absolute basics, what a bookmark even is. Then we'll get hands-on and create your very first one. From there, we'll level up to managing your whole collection, then master organizing with folders, and finally, the best part, making sure your bookmarks are everywhere you are. Ready? Let's get into it.
All right, section 1, your first bookmark. Enough talk, let's actually do this. This is your first real step to making your browser work for you, not the other way around.
Seriously, this is super simple. First, just go to any website you want to save. Now, look up at the address bar, all the way to the right. See that little star icon? That is your magic button. Go ahead and click it. A little window pops up where you can give the bookmark a name, maybe choose where to save it, and then just click Done. And boom, that's it. You've officially made a bookmark.
Okay, awesome. You've saved a shortcut. But what good is a shortcut if you can't find it, right? So where did it go, and how do you get to it without a bunch of hassle? Well, Chrome basically gives you 3 main ways to get to your stuff. The most obvious one is the bookmarks bar, that strip right under your address bar. You can also find them just by typing in the address bar itself. And for full control, you can dive into the Bookmark Manager.
And you're gonna love this one. Here's a pro tip for all you shortcut fans out there. Instead of clicking around, just go to the address bar and type @bookmarks, then a space, and then start typing what you're looking for. Chrome will instantly search only your bookmarks. Seriously, it is the fastest way to find exactly what you need.
So now that you're saving bookmarks, that collection is going to start to grow. And that brings us to our next section, managing it all. Think of yourself as becoming the librarian of your own digital space, really taking control. As you save more stuff, you'll probably want to tidy things up. Sometimes the name Chrome saves automatically, it's just not that helpful. For example, a generic Amazon bookmark could become Amazon India Shopping, so you know exactly what it is at a glance. Little tweaks like this make a huge difference. And making that change is super easy. Just head into the Bookmark Manager, find the bookmark you want to tweak, and click on those 3 little dots right next to it. You'll see an edit option. Click that, change the name or even the URL, hit save, and you're all set.
Now a quick heads up here, and this is important. When you delete a bookmark, it's permanent. There is no recycle bin, there's no undo button. Once it's gone, it is gone for good. So just be sure before you start cleaning house.
This brings us to the real power move, the art of organization. I mean, a few bookmarks are easy to handle, but 50, 100, this is where we learn to tame that digital chaos using one of the best tools we have, folders. So creating folders, this is the foundation of a great system. Inside the Bookmark Manager, look for that 3-dot menu again, but this time the one in the top right corner of the whole page. Click it, choose Add New Folder, give it a name that makes sense, and just like that, you have a new home for your links.
And you can get really creative here. You could have folders for banking, shopping, learning, maybe one for a big work project, or even travel ideas. Really, the best system is whatever makes the most sense to you.
So once you have those folders, it's time to fill them up. Remember that Amazon India Shopping bookmark we renamed? Well, instead of letting it float around, you can move it neatly into its new home in your shopping folder. And Chrome gives you a couple of really easy ways to do this. The first is my favorite. You can literally just click on a bookmark, drag it over to a folder on the left, and drop it in. Done. Or you can use that same edit option we talked about before and just pick a new folder from the drop-down menu. And here's the best part. You don't even have to manually organize the links inside a folder. Chrome can do it for you. It can automatically sort them alphabetically, by the date you added them, or even by the last time you opened them. It keeps everything super tidy. Okay, for our final section, we're taking all this awesome organizational work you've done and we're making it available to you no matter where you are or what device you're on. This is the big payoff. The feature that makes all of this possible is what I like to call the bookmark superpower, syncing.
This is what takes your bookmarks from just being a simple browser tool to being a powerful, personal productivity system that follows you everywhere.
It really is this simple. When you sign into Chrome with your Google account, everything just syncs. That work folder you just made on your laptop, bam, it's on your phone. That travel ideas link you saved on your tablet while you're on the couch, it's waiting for you on your desktop at the office. It all just works.
And just like that, you've done it. For real. You've gone from just knowing what a bookmark is to having all the skills you need to build a truly smart, organized browser that's going to save you time every single day.
So I guess the only question left is, with all this newfound power at your fingertips, what are you going to organize first? What website is going to be the very first entry in your brand new, super efficient system? Go on, give it a try.